A certain scholarship committee awarded scholarships in the amount of $1,250, $2,500, and $4,000. The committee awarded twice as many $2,500 scholarships as $4,000 scholarships, and it awarded 3 times as many $1,250 scholarships as $2,500 scholarships. If a total of $37,500 was awarded in $1,250 scholarships, how many $4,000 scholarships were awarded? So here we have a ratio problem, and we have a ratio problem that demonstrates how important labeling is when you are setting up your ratios. Because here, what is our labels? Our labels is the dollar value for each of our scholarships, which is sort of a weird setup. Because we're not actually doing anything with these numbers here. We're just using these numbers as if they were as labels for different types of scholarships. And so what we're actually including in our ratio is the number of scholarships for each of these different dollar values, or at least that's the information that's given to us. That's the ratio we're setting up. So what do we know? So we know the committee awarded twice as many $2,500 scholarships as $4,000 scholarships. So if we call our number of $4,000 scholarships X, then we had 2X $2,500 scholarships. And it awarded 3 times as many $1,250 scholarships as $2,500 scholarships. So our $1,250 scholarships should be 3 times this amount. So 3 times 2X, meaning we awarded 6X $1,250 scholarships, which means in total we had 9X scholarships given out. And so what are we looking for? We are looking for the number of $4,000 scholarships that were awarded, which is just X. So I like that, because now we can think of our question as just, what is X? Not thinking about scholarships or dollar values, or worrying about finding 6X or 2X. I'm just looking for X. And the way we're going to find X is with this statement here. This is where we're going to get our equation. If a total of $37,500 was awarded in $1,250 scholarships, so what does that mean? So now we sort of have, from this ratio of the number of scholarships, we can find the dollar value for each of our different scholarships. We can calculate that ratio from this ratio. So remember, these numbers here are the number of scholarships. Therefore, the value for each of your scholarships should be the number of scholarships that were given times the dollar value of each scholarship. So I just said like total dollar value. So if we know if a total of $37,500 was awarded in $1,250 scholarships, so something's got to be equal to $37,500. That should be this right here. So how do we find the dollar value of our $1,250 scholarships? It should just be the number of scholarships, which is 6X times $1,250. And so what is that? So 125 times 6 is 750. So this should add a 0. So this number here, 6X times 1250, should just be 750X. And we can find this dollar value for each of our scholarships, right? For our $2,500 scholarships, it should be 2x times 2,500, which is just 5,000x. Should be 7,500 here. And then the dollar value of my $4,000 scholarships should just be 4,000x. But remember, I'm still just looking for x itself. So what do we know? We know the dollar value of my $1,250 scholarships is 37,500. So it is this number here, or this expression here, that is equal to 37,500. And now I just got to use that equation to solve for x. So x is 37,500 over 7,500. X is 375 over 75, which is what? 6. No, that's not right. 4, 5, right? Yeah. There we go. So we had 5 $4,000 scholarships. If they had asked for how many $2,500 scholarships, it would have been 10. If they asked for how many $1,250 scholarships we had, it would have been 30. So they could have asked for any of those things. Again, they're asking for the $4,000 scholarships, which is just X, which is 5. A.